At the request of many members, OSBA's 2019 Special Education Law Workshop will focus on student mental health. Student mental wellness is critical to academic achievement and to developing emotional skills that affect long-term happiness and success. Many students will face mental health concerns at some time during their school years. This workshop will help districts serve those students by identifying support and resources available in Ohio and discussing interventions and responses that assist students and are consistent with federal and state law. Providing early and consistent support to students facing mental health or behavioral issues is a key component to ensuring positive outcomes for them. 2 panel discussions on student mental health will discuss topics including social and emotional learning, warning signs, triggers, communicating with families, bullying, social isolation, threat assessment, and appropriate learning environments. OSBA has applied for CLE accreditation for this workshop. Included in the cost is a copy of OSBA's newly revised and updated Special Education Law in Ohio book. Register for the workshop by visiting the OSBA website. We look forward to seeing you soon.